Miss Tamika and Miss Johnson and Tenacity Academy have been such a great tool in my cleaning business growth. I would not be where I'm at right now if it's not for the tools and the foundations that they helped me build. When I started back in December, I did not have any idea what I was doing. I was watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, getting a whole bunch of information, and I was just really confused and overwhelmed. And I just knew I wanted to start this cleaning business, and if somebody could just show me the blueprints, then I can take off and I can run with it. And that's what they did for me. They gave me those blueprints. And now I'm almost in 3 months of being in business, and I'm finally at that mark where I'm making $10K a month. And that's only because of the blueprint that Tenacity Academy has given me. And I just took that blueprint, and I promise you I milked it for everything that I could get out of it. And that's all to them. So I just want to thank you, Miss Johnson. I want to thank you, Miss Tamika, for your time, for your effort, for your tools, for everything that you do and all the services that you offer at Tenacity Academy. I'm eternally grateful.
Hey y'all, this is your favorite cleaning business, and if I am not, I should be. This is Tiara from Filthy Cleaning Services. I am walking through one of my move-out cleanings. This is one of my apartment complexes. I wanted to get on here really quick and do a shout out to a very special lady, Miss Katrina from Tenacity Academy. I really do appreciate you. Like, you guys, I bought her course and business started picking up for me. And I just want to thank her. Thank you so much, Katrina. I appreciate you. Like, I know there's so many people, other companies that appreciate you for, you know, just all of your knowledge. Thank you so much.
Hey, I'm Kamisha. I'm the owner of Simply Southern Cleaning Solution out of Georgia. I joined the Tenacity Academy around October of 2020, and I am so glad I did. The Tenacity Academy actually helped me develop systems inside of my new business, helped me generate leads that I'm still following up to in the year 2021. It helped me gain the confidence that I needed for my business to grow throughout the end of 2020 as well as 2021. Anybody looking to start a new cleaning business or just change the internal systems of your cleaning business that you currently have, I highly recommend Miss Katrina and her Tenacity Academy. She's given me jewels that I still use to this day inside of my business. The coaching calls were amazing at the end of every week. It helped me gain momentum for the next week. It helped me reset my mind, helped me re-strategize on things that I didn't really feel confident in. All in all, I highly recommend anybody starting out or even anyone that's stagnant in their cleaning business, feeling like they can't continue or they don't know where to begin again. I highly recommend Miss Katrina's Tenacity Academy. It definitely changed the trajectory for my cleaning business. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Aisha Williams, and I am the owner and operator of Heaven Sent Cleaning Service in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I've been following Miss Johnson on Instagram, I think for a couple of years, and I just watched and, you know, just to watch her videos and see what she was talking about. And when I joined the community, I found that we have a lot more in common than I thought. And joining the community has helped tremendously with my business. I had my first 6-figure year this year, and I accredit all of that to Miss Johnson with her knowledge, her honesty, and her just being an all-around go-getter and the true definition of a boss. So I always tell people, whatever my mentor tells me to do, that's exactly what I do. So thank you, Miss Johnson. I am looking to triple what I did this year. What I did last year at the end of this year. So again, I thank you so much, Miss Johnson. You are such an inspiration. I know I haven't been on the Zoom calls lately because I'm trying to get back in the right headspace. But again, I thank you and Miss Tamika so much. You've all have been such an inspiration, such a breath of fresh air, and just a plethora of information. So I love the community. I try my best to participate as much as I can. But again, I have sent a request from one of my other friends that has a cleaning service to join also. So your education and your abundance of knowledge is definitely appreciated, and I soak in as much as I can. So again, thank you so much, Miss Johnson, and to the community. Have a great day and Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Shante Rufus. I am a proud owner of Unique R&R Cleaning Services, LLC. Being a part of the Cleaning Club community has been such an amazing help in starting out as a business owner. This community has been my guidance with understanding the do's and the don'ts of the cleaning business. This community has challenged me to step out of my comfort zone and challenge myself more than I ever have. I have made mistakes, but to be able to come to a live community meeting and ask questions and receive live feedback has been so very helpful as well. This community has provided me with so much knowledge and resources to study from, those that have been at the beginning at one point in time and have built a six-figure and higher cleaning business under the guidance of a cleaning business community. Being able to listen and read other business owner stories gives me that drive to continue to push forward daily and keep a positive mindset no matter what. I honestly do not know if I would have the clientele that I currently have now, with only a little over like a year in the cleaning business, without being under the leadership and the guidance of a cleaning community, my mentor, Ms. Johnson and Tamika, by the following advice and guidance of the community, the sky is the limit with your goals. Take the leap of faith. Join the community.
Hey, would you like to make $10,000 a month while you are still working your 9 to 5? You ever find yourself strolling on Instagram and watching YouTube video after YouTube video, taking a billion notes, and you're wondering why you still can't scale your cleaning company? It's really because all the other stuff that we don't have time to talk about on YouTube that makes the magic happen. My name is Mrs. Johnson, and I help cleaning business owners start, grow, and scale profitable cleaning businesses, okay? I just created a short case study video revealing how to start a cleaning business while you're still working your 9 to 5. If you want access to that, I'll give you instant access for free. All you have to do is click the link down below, and I'll see you on the other side. All right.